Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily repair your laptop battery. So don't skip this video, watch till the end. After watching the entire video, you will be able to easily repair your laptop battery at your home. So let's get started. After opening the battery, we will remove the BMS circuit. This is the main IC of BMS circuit. After removing this circuit, we will replace all these useless cells with new ones. We are putting tape at the beginning of these cells to prevent them from shortage after soldering. Before proceeding further, I have a request for you to subscribe this channel. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section. Also mention the name of your country in the comments and express your views. Your support and feedbacks are highly appreciated. Now we are connecting jumper wires with BMS circuit. After connecting all the jumper wires to the circuit, we will hang the circuit into its place. Then we will connect the wires to the battery. After connecting all these cells, we will pack this battery and the process of repairing is completed.